Today we're going to show you 10 quick recipes that are both high in protein and healthy calories. If you're an adult who is looking to gain weight or bulk up, it can be tough to find easy ways to pack on those extra pounds. But don't worry, we got you. From delicious dinners to satisfying snacks, we'll show you how to make healthy eating simple with these 10 quick recipes. So get ready to gain some weight the right way with our delicious and nutritious recipes. Before we get into the video, if you're new here and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click the subscribe button so you can be notified every time we post a new video. If you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. Alright guys, let's get started. Number 1, Greek yogurt with almonds and honey. This classic combination of Greek yogurt. Almonds and honey is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. The protein in the Greek yogurt will help you feel full and satisfied, while the healthy fats and fiber in the almonds and honey will keep you feeling energized throughout the day. For an extra boost of protein and fiber, add a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, like chia seeds or flax seeds. This is an excellent snack option for anyone looking to gain weight in a healthy way. Just mix together half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, and 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl until well combined. Adjust the ingredients to your liking and enjoy. Up next at number 2, cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is a high-protein dairy product that is often overlooked when it comes to healthy snacking. When paired with fruit, it makes for a delicious and satisfying snack that can help you meet your daily protein requirements. In addition to being a great source of protein, cottage cheese is also rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. The fruit adds natural sweetness and a variety of vitamins and minerals to the snack, making it a well-balanced and nutritious option. For extra protein, you can add nuts or seeds to the mix. To make this snack, simply combine half a cup of cottage cheese with your favorite fruit such as berries, pineapple, or peaches in a bowl. Add nuts or seeds if desired and enjoy. Coming up at No. 3. Quinoa salad with black beans and grilled chicken. Quinoa salad with black beans and grilled chicken is a fantastic high-protein meal option that is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. This salad is packed with plant-based protein from the quinoa and black beans and lean protein from the grilled chicken. It also contains healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. For added protein, consider including nuts or seeds in the salad dressing or as a topping. To make this salad, cook quinoa according to package instructions and then combine it with black beans, grilled chicken, and your favorite vegetables in a bowl. Toss the salad with a simple vinaigrette and enjoy. Next on our list is the protein smoothie. A protein smoothie is a quick and easy way to get a boost of protein into your diet with just a few simple ingredients. You can blend together a delicious and nutritious drink that will satisfy your hunger and support your weight gain goals. Protein smoothies are versatile and can be customized to your liking. You can use different types of milk or yogurt to vary the flavor and thickness of the smoothie. Additionally, you can add fruits, vegetables, nuts, or other ingredients to make the smoothie more filling or to add additional nutrients. One simple protein smoothie recipe is to blend together 1 cup of milk, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 scoop of protein powder until smooth. Adjust the ingredients to your liking and enjoy. Coming up at number 5, lentil soup with whole wheat bread. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious meal that is perfect for those looking to gain weight in a healthy way. Lentils are a type of legume that is packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. When paired with whole wheat bread, lentil soup becomes a complete meal that can help you meet your daily protein requirements and keep you feeling full and satisfied. To make lentil soup, simply combine lentils, carrots, celery, and onion in a pot with water or broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until lentils are tender. Serve hot with a slice of whole wheat bread. Alright, halfway through our list, but we still got 5 more delicious recipes to share with you guys, so stay tuned. Coming up at number 6, nut butter and whole grain toast. Nut butter and whole grain toast is a classic combination that can be elevated to a high protein breakfast by using a nut butter that is high in protein and a whole grain bread that is rich in fiber. This combination provides a balance of macronutrients, including protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. making it a satisfying and nutritious meal that can help you gain weight in a healthy way. For extra protein, you can top your toast with sliced almonds or walnuts. To make this dish, simply spread a generous amount of nut butter on a slice of whole grain toast and enjoy. Next at number 7, black bean burgers with sweet potato fries. Black bean burgers are a delicious and nutritious alternative to traditional beef burgers. They are packed with protein and fiber and are lower in saturated fat, making them a healthier option for those looking to gain weight in a balanced way. Sweet potato fries are a healthier alternative to regular French fries, and they provide a good source of vitamin A and dietary fiber. To make black bean burgers, mash black beans with spices and form into patties. Grill or pan fry the burgers and serve on whole wheat buns with sweet potato fries. Coming up at number 8, chickpea curry with brown rice. Chickpea curry with brown rice is a flavorful and nutritious meal that is perfect for those looking to gain weight in a healthy way. Chickpeas are a type of legume that is high in protein and fiber, and brown rice is a whole grain that provides carbohydrates and additional protein. The curry sauce adds flavor and can be made with coconut milk for a richer, creamier texture and extra protein. To make chickpea curry, brown rice, onions, garlic and spices, and then add chickpeas and coconut milk. Simmer until the sauce thickens and serve over brown rice. Next on our list is the breakfast burrito. Breakfast burrito is a delicious and convenient meal that can be customized to include a variety of high-protein ingredients. Start with a whole wheat tortilla and fill it with scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa, avocado, and cheese. For extra protein, add Greek yogurt or a dollop of sour cream. This combination provides a balance of macronutrients, including protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. It's making it a satisfying and nutritious meal that can help you gain weight in a healthy way. Last but not least, at number 10, turkey meatballs with spaghetti squash. Turkey meatballs with spaghetti squash is a creative and nutritious meal that can help you gain weight in a healthy way. Turkey meatballs are made with ground turkey, which is a lean protein source. Spaghetti squash provides a low-carbohydrate alternative to traditional pasta. The meatballs can be served with a tomato-based sauce or a pesto sauce for extra protein. To make this dish, simply combine ground turkey with spices and form into meatballs. Bake or pan fry the meatballs and serve over spaghetti squash. And there you have it, 10 quick recipes that are both high in protein and healthy calories. We hope you enjoyed these delicious and nutritious options that can help you gain weight in a healthy way. Remember that it's important to choose nutrient-dense foods that will support your overall health and well-being. So give these recipes a try and don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help us out a lot. And make sure to click the subscribe button so you can be notified every time we post a new video. We'll see you guys next time.